Has his memory been wiped clean? Candidate, you look a little tired. I shall be quick. Your resume has passed our scrutiny. Welcome to Megan's. Let me first introduce your workplace. Megan's Department Store. We mainly offer merchandise for children. We are committed to bringing the best choice to each and every child. But there are always troubles in business. Some unexpected things more or less affect our business. But please believe that we have always stayed true to our vision. Your job is to ensure that these unexpected things never happen. Trust this experiment. I mean your work. It's a piece of cake for you next. Oh, looks like we have a little problem during our interview. Please press the button. Let's continue. There are two buttons in front of you, a green one and a red one. We have some more questions for you. Press the green button if you agree and press the red button if you don't. I am sure this is very straightforward and simple. We have a disclaimer for you. Please press a button after you have read it. Very good. You can start your work today. Hey, hello. Welcome to Megan's Department Store. Boss asked me to record a message to help our new employees settle in on their first night. Firstly, I'd like to introduce you to our fur mascots. They hold a special place in our mall. A year ago, our boss acquired these for retired industrial robots and transformed them into cartoon characters. Kids love them, and we also started selling various children's products. We turned our store quite a bit of money. Although they may look a bit worn out now, I still hope our new employees can show them some respect. Recently, there have been some unfavorable rumors surrounding our store. Some people claim to have been attacked by robots in the mall at midnight. That's clearly a lie. Who would stay in the mall late at night and invite trouble upon themselves? What I want to say is that our robots don't attack people. They do walk around at night, but they pose no danger whatsoever. To counter the slander from rival businesses, we have to recruit night security.